Hey guys, so I was just playing around with the layer styles from my new holiday font collection, and um, I really like these kind of felty sort of layer styles, and I was just realizing I could put together a plaid design in just a few minutes, and I just kind of like whipped this up, and I thought I would just show you how I did this really quick. And I mean, I did not put any thought into the layout of this or whatever, but it turned out pretty good. So I'm just going to show you how I did that and how you can make something similar because my new kit has like all the different holiday illustrated fonts, but then it also has some cool extras like these brushes and these layer styles. So, there's lots of cool things you can do with it. So basically what I did was I just opened up a document, and this one I made it 1200 by 1200. And first of all, I'm just going to draw out a shape, and it just doesn't matter what color it is because I have my layer styles that come with this kit. And I'm just going to put the light red felt layer style on there. And then I'm going to grab uh, the square here and just make a few different new rectangles. And I think I will put a couple dark red layers, and maybe I'll do like a dark green. So I'm going to put a dark red here. That's a little thick. So you can just, I mean, I could like literally whenever I made the one, it's funny because sometimes your first ones turn out so good, but I just whipped these shapes out super fast. And then what did I do? I think I put like oh no, I had one big red one and then I had a couple greens. So I think I will put this one green, and then you can just play with the sizes here. I think I'll use medium green or light green. What did I use back here? Let's just check. Those look like a medium green. So I'm going to make a couple medium green stripes and then a red one. But we'll put, really, this is a lot slower than I did it originally, but we'll just kind of throw them there. And I don't even worry that they're on center or anything. Okay, I'll try to make it a little bit like this one, like the one I did. But really, you can kind of just goof around. So that's fine. Okay, we're just going to go with it. And then I'm going to make a new layer, and I'll go ahead and put the 24 karat gold layer style on there. And I'm going to get a brush, and I'm going to get the main brush that I used was this Accent Thick Stitches. So I just kind of wildly went through here and put some stitches down. So you can just kind of have fun. So I made some stitches, and then I'll just duplicate that layer. So the layer style's on it. And now I'm going to get my stitch brush that is the regular stitches and just kind of have some fun here, putting my stitches up and down and not really worrying about exactly how everything's going to work out because we'll just see. So I like kind of just goofing around and experimenting. So I'll put some horizontal stripes, and I guess I made like one horizontal stripe with a medium red, or no, it was a dark red. And then let's make another horizontal stripe. And what did I make that with? A dark green. So we'll add the dark green layer styles. And it's just like this fast that you can do some cool things. So I'll make a new layer, put the 24 karat gold on it so that I can see it as I'm working. And let's go ahead and go back to the thick stitches like this, and we'll put one there. Let's put one like that. And then I'll go and I'll get the regular stitches, and I think I'll make a little method to my madness here, and I'll put a thin stitch on either side of the thick stitches, so just for a little fun. And now I'll go back and add some vertical stripes. So let's go to my thing here and let's make a few vertical stripes, and maybe like one right here. No, I want it to be, we'll just put it over the top here. We'll hide that one, and for this one, let's just play around. Green, now we want a red there. Maybe the dark red. And then here we could put the medium green. And here, let's maybe play with a red. No, a dark medium red or a dark red. Dark red. Okay, that's cool. So this one turned out a little bit different, but we've got a few vertical stripes, and now let's create a new layer, add the 24 karat gold layer effects, and I think I will go, let's get my brush tool and just put some thin stitches on that, on this one, like that. Let's see here. I'm going to go back, put my thick stitches right there, and then I'll put a thin one beside it, and we will call that a day. So we'll get my thick regular stitch brush and go like, let's make it a little bit farther apart. There we go. So there you go. I just made a different pattern. And as you see, I didn't measure out anything. I didn't worry about anything, but you can just take a few minutes and make a really cool sort of plaid Burberry-esque sort of background with the layer styles in my new collection. So it's not just lettering, but it gives you a lot of really awesome resources for your holiday designs.